All right, we are now recording our class, 1040 L. And I'm going to go in order here of the temporal bone. I would like, who would like to come up, raise of hand and show me what a temporal bone is? Okay, Mary, you want to come up?
Temporal bone is located right behind the ear, right there.
Okay, you see that, guys? Temporal. And if it helps for a trick-wise, it usually comes right off this archway. Does anyone know what this arch is called? Zygomatic arch. Can you guys see what I'm doing? Okay, good. All right. Now, parietal bone. Who wants to show where the parietal bone might be? Anybody? Anybody? Shelby, I know you want to come up. Come on up. He can be like this, looking at you. Or he can, I know he's freaky, but it's Halloween time. It's okay. Now, well, we've got the top one here. So where might that one be? You have an idea, or I could turn him to the side. Side view of our friend. You want to put your hand there? Okay, parietal. Is she right? Right. The blue, right? Blue, parietal. And if you notice, there's actually two sections of parietals, and in between there, what's that little ridgy part called? Sagittal. Right, and that kind of makes sense, sagittal, because it's cutting us in half, right? That sagittal suture where those joints meet and fuse, sagittal, right? Sounds good. All right, we got the zygomatic bone. Okay, we're going to put him back. And zygomatic bone. Anyone want to try? Want to try? Candace? Candace, you want to come? I'm good. Are you sure? Okay. Paul has it. Paul has it. Okay. Well, you don't have to put your face in there. Okay. Where would you like to show? You can turn it.
Right here in the blue.
Okay. Right here in blue.
Yes.
Right there in blue. See, guys? See the blue part. Yeah, your cheekbones are nice high cheekbones. And then the arch kind of carries along into the next bone. But, right, see? Right over there. Good job, Paul. Good job. All right. We've got now the maxilla. Anyone want to try? Yes, Terry. Come on, Terry. You should know where this one is. You can put your finger. Right, maxilla. That makes sense, right? Okay. The occipital bone. Where's the occipital? Oh, I'm sorry. I skipped one. Right, mandible. I will edit that. Mandible. Okay, Javon. Right there, the mandible. Mandible. For chewing. Yum, yum. Okay. All right. Now the occipital bone. Patrick, you wanted to come on. Okay, you need to turn the skull, you can do that.
This one here?
Right there, right back there. Yep, and there happens to be another suture there. Can anyone tell me what that suture is? Yep, the lambdoid suture. Now, for whatever reason, I read that the lambdoid suture is called that because of the Greek symbol lambda. I don't see it, but that's what it says. Lambda. Right there. Yeah, right there. Okay. Everyone got that? Okay, we've got the frontal bone. Frontal bone. Okay. Up, Chelsea, come on up. You know what it is. Thought you were doing that on the side of the cross. I wasn't sure. Okay, frontal bone.
Right there.
Frontal, very good. Okay, frontal, that kind of makes sense, right in the front. Frontal bone. All right. Let's see, sphenoid bone. Who wants to go here? Ariella, please come up. Where might it be?
There's sphenoids
Right, it's the green right there, and it's also on this side here. And it's a crazy looking bone. I don't have
It's a bat.
time to, it looks like
It's
a
also in the
bat.
eye.
Right, and you see it right through there. Look at the green. And it's a very funny shaped bone. I'm not taking the skull apart though. I don't think I can. Okay, adult skull features. The orbit. Orbit. Heather, did you come up yet?
No.
Okay, I want you to show me the orbit.
Okay.
Where you think the orbit might be.
Well, I thought the orbit. I don't.
It's okay. You don't just show.
Isn't it in your eye?
Mm-hmm. The orbit, you can do just your finger, show where the orbit is.
Just your eye socket?
Yeah, your eye socket, the
Okay.
orbit, that space right over there. Orbit, orbit. Okay, the optic foramen. Okay. Optic foramen, who wants to show where that is? Michelle?
I'm confused.
I know, you just have to show.
It's right here in this region.
Right in there, the optic foramen, right in that region. Yep. Okay, the external auditory meatus. So auditory sounds like what? Hearing. So auditory meatus. Anybody? Okay. Who would like to come up? Holly? Holly wants to come up. Yeah, you see that little kind of hole, that space there? Right in there. You see it on that side, same on that side there. Right there. Okay. And what else here? The coronal suture. I don't know if we mentioned that already, but someone else, could we mention it already? Or Anna, come on up here. Show me where that is. I'm confused. Come here. Now, coronal is supposed to mean crown, so that gives you any hint.
So it should be right
Right there.
there.
Right, so and it's got the frontal and parietal, so it's kind of that little suture right there. And we talked a little bit about the one back here, which was what? Right? And we talked about the one here, which was? Sagittal. And then the squamous. Squamous, where are we putting that one? Okay. Okay, who hasn't gotten up yet? If someone hasn't gotten up, would like to get up. Oh. Your friends are calling you. Come on down. You can demonstrate where the squamous suture is.
Right there.
Yes, that squamous suture right there. All right. Bye-bye.